Appunong kumulsila sila ka video sa kanong neto na kin video sa kumulsila. Sila mo style to work out and ko school so bulik ka bisa. Aja ko bulik school so hafta bulum partner sa ko bola mai bulik ke ka bulik class में aja के गाना में सस्ता है इंग्लिश मीडियम एडवांटेज इटानो वर्षो को वो सब दूरा को अंतिम में सब आउट ऑफ एडमिशन का एडमिशन बैंक करना में सस्ता है ना
Nah, kasihan di cellphone number. Ya, ya.
से बुलो को ऑफिस रूम में से किताब सिताब दूँ और सो किताब से सिताब आप दूरम सो ऑफिस सो बिरा सुबह क्लास दो पर बुलो गिरो क्लास दो पर बिला नो मलंका नो ये बुलो आजा काल लेते संतो सुबह स्टूडेंट ले बुरा नो क्लास दो दो बुरा संतो स्टूडेंट जिनको अच्छा से बेटा अच्छा से पढ़ाई करना है हमारा तो सुबह फर्स्ट सुबह भीड़ का बुरा
Đúng vậy, ai đây này nè. Tâm lùm
Where is your right hand side? Right side is this
prayer. Love the plan. Perfecto. Ang mabig sa culture na event, di ba?
And this song, Rolling Down the Jordan. Okay, we will have not three, but not three. One, two, three.
If you don't have your uniform, don't worry. You just come as this. Alright? With your casual dress, you come. We will give you maybe 2 weeks. 2 weeks time, you must get your uniform. Am I clear, Dindigan? 2 weeks. So try to finish it up everything within 2 weeks, and you must come. And regarding your notebook, school notebook, if they have already sent from Dawati, okay, today you will arrive, so you get your school notebook from tomorrow. Am I clear? So for hostelers, boarders, don't worry, because you're here, we will give it to you, but for day scholars, okay, you can pay your parents. Right? And textbook also will be arriving today. I know there are some, we don't have complete textbook yet. Some are not available, but don't worry, we will do our best. School notebook, nobody is allowed to use outside the book. You must use only our school notebook, okay? And school bag, you know school bag? We have our own school bag. So today I see some of the students who are bringing your own bag, so that will not be allowed. So you please tell your parents that we have to use only our school bags. School bags are available. You can buy every day after the class, not before the class. Okay? Before the class, there's no stuff. So you come up to the class. Am I clear? Okay. So that's all I have for today. School notebook will be right tomorrow. School textbook also right already. And everybody must use your school bag. Okay? If any more things,